right plumb is killing. I hope that sorted the job out. Welcome to the video, everybody. Today is a little run out to On Yer Bike in Aylesbury. It's what, 6:10. A lovely evening. And they've been doing open days every once a month, I think it's been, all season. I haven't managed to get to one. I thought as soon as this was the last one, I'll put some effort in. Actually go. Have a look round, see what's there. So you just get out, isn't it? Give me a chance to do a vlog. Fortunately, we just catch the tail end of rush hour. You notice the right hand mirror is fixed, and the left one. I had to import one piece normally, but I imported 2 pieces of replacement glass. It's actually surprisingly simple to replace, and it came really quickly as well. Just a small matter of it costing about 50 quid. Once you've added delivery and input charges and everything like that, it's an expensive piece of glass. So I think we'll learn from that one. Hopefully not do it again, although I bought 2 in case it does happen again, but also to guarantee that, you know, if you've got a spare, it'll never happen. So if I didn't have a spare, it was bound to happen again. So hopefully all will be well. Yeah, I don't know what sort of bikes will be here at On Yer Bike. I hope there is some, and it's not just a damp squib. Like I say, having not been before, I saw some pictures earlier on this season and looked a few bikes there, but you don't know if that was from that night or a previous day. They do a show weekend once a year. So let's talk about what we've got planned for the channel. I'm hoping to ride a few different bikes, hopefully get some, what I really want to do is get some older bikes on the channel, not brand new ones that everybody's doing, although I'd like to do that as well. But also search out some good examples of older bikes. Well, not everyone's in the market for a brand new bike. I thought it'd be a good way of comparing what's out there. So watch out for future videos on along those kind of lines. So I need to spend some more time with these leathers, which are brand new, the RST Track Tech Evos. So they are brand new, so I think they've not been out that long, so and so far I've been quite impressed with them. It'd be nice to do a comparison, you know, with my experience with many Danish leathers, to be fair. I've also got the Cardo packed up mould, spent some time going through that, a couple of bits in the garage, and of course the 916. Myself and Brian, just found it very hard recently. It's been really busy, and I've been busy with work and stuff at home as well. We don't seem to have been in the same place at the same time. We've got some material, we just kind of need to finish what we're doing. The engine is all but blown apart, apart from a couple of bits, and then it'll be painting up the engine, frames and wheels, and through the bits and bobs and shocks, suspension, and after that we could sort of start building it up slowly. I think it's going to go sort of well into winter, but it'll be a good winter project. We haven't got the means and the time to just get it done in a short period. Let's not forget there's a few more episodes of the Germany tour to come. The last one was the lap of the Nürburgring. Let me know what you thought about that in the comment section. Some glorious roads on some of the next couple of episodes. I'm halfway in between, in the middle of editing, so look out for them coming soon. Also debating putting together a build series on the Panigale. I did start one for another YouTube channel. The hard drive that stored all my video broke. I basically lost everything. So I've got some bits and not others. I've got pictures all the way through. So it might be a combination of video and pictures pictures and a bit of voiceover. I'll see if I can come up with something. Quite a few ideas for some videos. It'd be great to get some different bikes on the channel. I know people like the Mr. and Fire, for instance, who does readers rides. Richie Vida, he does subs rides. It'd be nice if we could do something similar. But not just on your normal bikes either. Some sort of shed builds, that sort of thing. There's all manner of creations lurking in people's sheds. So we'll see if we can get them on. Let me know if you're interested in that too. Something else I wouldn't mind to go on as well is an electric bike. I'd also quite like the idea of a bike sounding like a speeder bike off Star Wars. I think when electric bikes and cars are normal, I think there will still be the performance versions, and our ears will adjust to recognise the noise of a performance electric vehicle. Does that make sense? This bike is noisy. I always try when I'm passing horses, try to just switch her off. You don't feel that noisy when you're riding it. You can hear it and everything, but from the outside it's a lot noisier. And I'm fully aware of that, so yeah, it's just polite, isn't it, really? It's nice having two mirrors. Although, even though that was smashed halfway down, I only looked through. Obviously I can see through it all, but you can actually use just the single or the first half, and it acts a bit like one of them circular mirrors that you see on a lot of bikes. This one's a bit longer, so it gives you a wider view. Roads like this looks like a little bit too bumpy for the old Panigale. Well, probably me and the Panigale, to be fair. A bit of a lump. So I'm glad I sorted that right plumb out. All things considered, I think I'd rather got a GS right now on that bit of road. Here we are. There are quite a few here. I feel like you're in a goldfish bowl. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. A few bikes. It's time for a cup of tea though. Right, so look forward to seeing you again next time. If you're not a subscriber already, please hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. There should be some good videos coming up. Like I say, hopefully get some more bikes on the channel and some more content for you guys. We'll see you then. I'm off for a wander around to have a look at some of these bikes. Ta-da!